friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an extremely healthy juice recipe that's made with bottled gourd. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make bottled gourd juice. The ingredients to make this juice are very simple. So in a juicer attachment, I have added 2 cups of bottled gourd and I have chopped them. Some mint leaves. I have roasted some cumin seeds, about half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt, and you can increase or decrease as your taste. 1 teaspoon of sugar. A small piece of ginger. And some fresh lemon juice. I'm using half lemon. Grind everything to a juice consistency by adding some water. I have added 1.5 cups of water. Let's pour it in the serving glass. I have added few ice cubes. Enjoy this Lauki juice after a great workout or even on empty stomach for best results. Hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.